I'm so sorry, baby. Let's get that cleaned up, okay? Let's get that cleaned up and pull it back down. See if we can get that to seal. Let's pull this back down, sweetie. Yeah, that's not. Yeah, I need to push this way down here and put a little drop of glue right there. Check the other side. I think I'm going to put another drop right here. I think that would be a good spot. My goodness, you made a mess down here, baby. Yes, you did. Made a big mess. Let's get all this cleaned up, sweetie, okay? Let's get all that cleaned up. Yeah. That's just so nasty, little doll. It sure is. Yeah. Let's get this done first, huh? There we are. Can't have poopy on your little body, doll. Yeah, I know. I know, darling. You're doing so good. Yeah, that ankle is pretty bruised up, too. I know, doll. Hold on. There we are. That's better. Good, that didn't pull apart underneath then. That's good, because it looks like right there it was open right there, and that stayed, so that's great. This entire shaft right here was showing. It had pulled all the way down to here. So this entire shaft was showing right here, and all this part of her leg here, and I pulled all that up and glued it last night. You can see the glue right there, and that stayed, so that is fantastic. So maybe she has a good chance. I know, doll. There we are. She's going to lose these two toes right here. There we are, doll. You're doing so good. Yes, you are. Yeah. I know, baby. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, you really went through the ringer. You sure did. Let's see here. Get this little wing tucked back up under. It's okay, doll. Let's keep this winger right here. Let that heal just like that. There you go, sweetie. That a good girl. I know, baby. You just hang in there. You are such a trooper.